Hi everyone, welcome back. We are starting the approach into Malta. I will leave GoZone now. And the wind has actually changed, so it will be landing on runway 05 actually. Yeah, 05. And Tower Delta, Echo Charlie, Foxtrot Delta, leaving GoZone, intentions will be full stop landing.
Delta Echo Charlie, Foxtrot Delta, continue via the west coast, report to X point, expect runway 05.
Continue via the west coast, report west point and runway 05. Delta Echo Charlie, Foxtrot Delta. Alright, so yeah, the wind has changed, so we land on runway 05. Yeah, continue via the west coast. Here we have Comino Island. And next report west point, so we will report once we reach point. There we have Paradise Beach on the left. Also where the ferry starts, it's also over here. Ferry from Malta to Gozo. And I've already done the cruise checks a couple times. The fuel is perfectly balanced. 23 liters on both sides. So the wings are perfectly balanced with fuel. So here we go. The west point is the most westerly point of Malta. It's that simple. So it's 12 o'clock is there. Alright, so here we are. He cleared us already to Dingley radar. So I can already start to do pre-landing checks as well. I will do that right now. Checking brakes. If we have the braking pressure, apply brakes, and we have braking pressure. The undercarriage, you check normally on this aircraft, we have a fixed undercarriage, so no extending landing gear. Mixture, it's the prop lever in this case. We'll put to high once we are on final. Fuel pump is here, I will do once we are cleared for final as well. Flaps, I will do on base. Not yet, but I will do them. Instruments are set, QNH 1023. QNH 1023. And the runway heading is set as well. Repeat. Check if there's no drop, there's no ice in the engine. Just harness is secured and the landing light I will do once he cleared us as well.
Delta John Final, runway 05.
Johnny Final, runway 05. Delta Charlie Fox Delta. Okay, so we're now here at Dingley. He already cleared us for final. So that's very nice. I see the airport at 10 o'clock.
13 at hotel. 5820, Tower via Hotel November, line up runway 13 and wait.
Via Hotel November, line up 13 and wait, wave 820.
Express 1300, vacate left via Delta.
We have some turbulence here.
Left via Delta.
Actually a bit less nicer weather coming in.
Express 1300, 180 to vacate via Delta.
80 and
We'll do the fuel pump on. So we are done when we are joining final. The pressure increases. Landing light on as well because he has already cleared us for final. Which is very nice. And those are the landing checks, guys. So we start the descent now. Power idle, carpet out. And I'll keep the speed up, 90. There we go. That went fast. Disregard since we are descending.
Express 1300, vacate left Delta, contact ground 121.605.
121.605, 13 clear for takeoff.
Alright, speed check, flaps, runway inside. And landing flaps. As always requires an adjustment of the trim setting. You will definitely feel it when you lower the flaps because it increases the lift but also the drag. There we can join final, slowly starting our turn.
Delta Foxtrot Delta, wind 090 degrees, 8 knots, runway 05, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 05, Delta Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta. Alright, we are clear to land. Prop lever high, we are on final.
Skynet 420.
Now we just do what we have to do and land the aircraft.
Skynet 420, Tower, hold Foxtrot, earliest airborne, minute 50.
Sir, we are requesting a full-length departure, Skynet 420.
Skynet 420 via Foxtrot, backtrack runway 13.
Via Foxtrot, clear to enter and backtrack 13, Skynet 420.
Landing speed is 60 knots. Two aircraft holding short, probably doing run-up checks.
Clear to line up 13180 on threshold, Skynet 420.
Two right, two red. Nice. Alright, landing time 4-5.
Second for Delta for Lima, line up runway 05 and wait.
Runway 05 and wait, Falcon for Delta.
Delta for Delta vacate left Sierra, contact ground 121.605.
Left of Sierra and ground 121.605, thank you. Delta, Charlie Fox Delta. Alright, that's it, landing into Malta. Runway 05. Here we will vacate taxiway Sierra and contact ground frequency 121.605. I'll do once we vacate it completely. Here's an Air Malta departing runway 13.
Holding Lima, ready for departure.
Contact tower 135.105, goodbye.
135.105, thank you, goodbye.
Ground, good afternoon, Delta, Echo Charlie, Foxtrot Delta, vacated Sierra, runway 05.
Echo Charlie Fox Delta, taxi 3 via Lima, November.
Taxi 3 via Lima, November, Delta, Echo Charlie, Foxtrot Delta. Alright. Fuel pump off, landing light off.
Ground, Foxtrot Bravo Kilo, ready for taxi.
Fox Bravo Kilo, report POB.
And we will do the
2 persons on board. Foxtrot
after
Bravo
landing checklist.
Fox Bravo Kilo, Roger, copy clearance. After departure, runway 05. Proceed via FAR to Magellan Ford via Grand Harbor. Not above 1,500 feet. Squawk 3616.
After departure, runway 05, continue to
Flaps
Matlina
up.
via Grand Harbor, not above 1,500.
Electric fuel pump is off.
Squawk 3616, Foxtrot Bravo.
Landing light is off.
Fox Bravo Kilo. Feedback is correct. Exit holding point Lima via November QNH 1023.
Responder is on standby.
Exit to holding point Lima via November.
Radio set, of course, and trimmer back to takeoff position.
Hello, guys, Lufthansa 4 Echo Mike, information Quebec, QNH 1023, request clearance to Frankfurt.
Lufthansa 4 Echo Mike, ground clear to Frankfurt via GoPro 3 Bravo departure, runway 13, climb to altitude 5,000 feet, squawk 6567, slot 1513.
Lufthansa 4 Echo Mike, clear to Frankfurt via Golf Zulu Oscar 3 Bravo departure, runway 13, initial climb 5,000 feet, squawk 6567.
Lufthansa 4 Echo Mike, is that correct? And did you copy the slot?
Affirm, Lufthansa 4 Echo Mike.
Parking brake set, shutdown checklist. And Delta, Echo Charlie Foxtrot Delta, shutting down, thank you, have a nice day.
Okay.
Brake is on, throttle idle, shutdown check, reporting shutdown checked. Avionics.
Reporting the times. 46 was landing. 49 shutdown. And avionics all switches off.